Hello everyone, welcome back to Guide to Everything. In today's video, I'll show you on how you can go ahead and create RFI in Procore. Now to make this tutorial or guide simple, you want to navigate through the official guide or article on Create an RFI on the official website. Now this is because there are multiple ways in order for you to do this depending on your access in Procore. And so if we go down right here, we can then go ahead and see the various steps for different level permissions. So we have the create an RFI as a user with admin level permission, create an RFI as a user with standard level permission with the act as RFI manager granular permission, and lastly create an RFI as an user with standard level permission. Now let's navigate through the simplest one right here. We're just going to be creating an RFI as a user with standard level permission. But of course, once again, if you have different types of permission, you can just navigate through the different instruction right here. So to go ahead and proceed, it's extremely simple. Just navigate through the project's RFI tools, click on the Create Plus, and in the general information section, you then want to complete the following. So basically, there's going to be subject, RFI manager, distribution, received from, and more. Once again, to go ahead and simply create an RFI in Procore, you just want to navigate through the RFI tools or manager, click on the plus icon or create button, and from there you should be good to go. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.